Okay.
Hello, this is exciting. Today is Saturday, and we got our new paper pumpkin. Woo woo! So we're excited.
Today.
Yes, today. And I love it because it's in this beautiful box, and I'm keeping my box. I don't know if you're keeping your box, but I'm keeping my box. Yes, it's different than the red one, but it came in today. It comes just with a clear wrapping around it, so when you saw this in the mail, it was exciting because we knew, right?
I was being mischievous, like.
Yes, you're being mischievous, aren't you? All right, so let's go see what's in this box that we've been waiting for, all right? Okay. So, okay, you gonna open the box? That's my opening the box. Who's gonna open first? Hurry.
Yes. I guess Scoot. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. This is exciting because we get 2 stamp sets this month.
Okay, we got this.
Oh, yeah.
This is one
I
of them.
like it with flowers and all. Yeah.
And then we got this one, which is another one, the other one, the second one. Yeah, a stamp.
Oh, this one's even got sending
Which
you...
is Misty Moonlight.
This
That's a new
This one
one.
says sending you birthday wishes. It is a new color.
We
And we
got
have ribbon.
this.
A whole roll
Got
of ribbon. Oh, wow. I like that.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, there you go. A big thank you. Thank you.
Alternatives.
This is an alternative we can do. Yep, that's right. Oh, I like this.
Oh, that's such a pretty color.
It is a good color. Matches that ribbon.
Okay.
Oh, my gosh.
Don't want to rip anything.
Don't
We
rip
don't
it.
want to make
Don't
it
rip
look
it. It's
ugly.
too pretty to rip. Oh, wow. Looky here.
I might need to.
Well, let me get the box out of the way because I'm keeping the box. Get that out of the way. I did it. My fault. I'm bad. In case you guys didn't realize that, I just knocked something over the balcony. Rolled down the stairs. Well, hey, put it right here so we can see it.
Yeah.
So I can
I was
see.
just.
Oh, I know.
That was
I couldn't
such a
see
clean.
it.
That was so, oh my gosh! I did
I
such a good
am.
job.
Look at that. I
Are
want
you
to-
proud of me? I did a good job.
I am. I'm always
Yay.
proud of you. But look at that
Yes.
envelope. Oh
So
my gosh.
satisfying.
Oh, you know I'm gonna
Okay,
do
I
something
think I
with
might
it.
steal these envelopes. No,
Oh my gosh, you have your own.
You don't need
Your own.
envelopes. Okay, we got our originals. We got the
Yeah, yeah.
beautiful
What-
things.
That's our
And we got bling.
dimensionals. Yes, and that's some new bling we don't have.
Toss it aside.
Oh, but look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Wait,
oh,
wait. Oh man,
I am the person showing.
and you are showing. But we should have 3 different color envelopes because
Yep,
there's.
we do.
Do we?
We got orange.
Or sort of
Oh,
yellowish.
we got green.
Oh wow! Looky there. Oh my
Pretty
gosh.
they are.
Well, see if I want to see if they got any liner on the inside. Looky there. They got liner on the inside.
It's
so we
so
can do something with that.
pretty.
It is. Oh my gosh.
Fan myself with it. It's so pretty.
You could. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I tell you, right? Look how pretty. Wait, let me see.
Yeah.
Yep. I know we're about to poke out stuff. Let's see here.
Oh,
Let's see.
Okay, we got the mountains. Oh,
Yeah, you got
so
several of 'em.
pretty. Oh my god, they're in the way.
Oh, well, you know what they put? I think this is all in order. If you keep it in order, it goes with the cards. But it does. Look at the punch outs. It matches the envelopes, and it's so
know.
pretty.
And look, here's
Yep.
here's some other envelopes.
I know that's very
They're
pretty.
so, not envelopes. Cards are so pretty.
Oh, looky there. You know what that reminds me of is the it goes with that other paper. Yep.
So pretty.
It is very
It's
pretty.
So pretty.
Oh, it's very, very pretty.
Okay,
I'm
so
excited.
this would go with these, and this one would go with those secondary
there.
ones, and these ones would go with the first
This
ones.
one, okay. All right.
Okay.
So here's our. All right, you can go through the rest. I'm too excited. Go through the rest. I want to see the rest.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I am.
So impatient.
I am. I'm too excited. Keep it right here so I can see. Okay. Okay, these are just little
So
punch
cute.
outs.
We
Okay.
got mountains. We
Oh,
got
we
some
do.
more mountains. We got some leafies. We
Yeah,
got
some
this.
leafies.
Oh, I've seen this design before. It's such a pretty design.
It is a very pretty design.
Oh no.
We got 3 of these. Okay.
Nice.
All right.
And we
now
got our original.
Oh, well, I glue dots.
Yes.
And then here's our tags. I guess these are some tags too. Wow, very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Wow. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Yes.
Yes,
So
I am excited. I
beautiful.
love these envelopes.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? I'm like you. I'm like, you know I'm going to use that. You know I'm going to use this. And looky here again. I'm going to look through this again. This is so pretty. It's a good thing we have our own, so I can have mine and you can have yours, and we don't have to, like, take from one another. Because otherwise, yeah, I wouldn't have to share with you on that. But I like this ribbon, too. This ribbon is, like, exciting. Exciting. All right. Well, there we have it. You ready? I'm fixing to put you back on face. So there you go. That is the opening of the March paper pumpkin kit. We just got ours today. Whoop, whoop. So we will be doing this live on Sunday, March 27th at 4 p.m. So feel free to join us. We'll be giving away door prizes. We give away 3 door prizes. So all you do is say hello, do an emoji or something, just so that we know that you've been there. And we enter you in the door prize. All right, so you look forward to next weekend, because that's next weekend. All right, look forward to seeing you guys next weekend when we're live with Zoe and Nana Stamping. Bye.
Bye.